Hey guys, this is not going to be a normal video. In this video, all we're going to be doing is just showing you how we made this weapon, which is going to be this giant smashing sledgehammer type thing, and testing it out on a bunch of stuff, and it's just going to be an awesome breaking stuff video. So let's go. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm just going to show you what my table looks like so that you just know that no matter what, we can't show you the building part of this video. And this is what it looks like. We have hot glue guns, broken hot glue guns, duct tape, tools, more tools, batarangs. Yeah, this is normal. We have some Avengers back there. We have a fire truck. I don't know why that's there. Yeah, we have too much stuff. So we're not going to show you the building part. Okay, so for this build, you're going to require meter-long PVC pipe, about meter long. Then you're also going to require this. This is like, well, we don't need the bars. We might do something else with the bars. You just need like rubber tubing. You also need lots of foam. This is only one block. And finally, you will need lots of duct tape. So let's just throw them all down into this tub, and it is ready. Alright, test video time. Hello, 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 hello. You can all see me. So we have the 6 items we're going to be testing out with, which are these. We'll start off with our most regular tested item, Baby Johnson's baby powder. Next up, we will be testing it out on Captain America. After that, a bottle of sprays. Then after that, some of these delicious stuff. Well, actually, it's not too delicious today. If it breaks open, we get Popsicle Sticks. Then we will also have this solar robot to be smashing. So I hope it doesn't break because I'm going to have to build this later. And finally, we will be smashing an iPad. So now, without further ado, let's start testing. All right. We have got the Johnson's baby powder right here, and we're just gonna smash it. This is gonna be an easy one to do, so I'm just gonna take my hammer, and 3, 2, I don't know which position to start for this. 3, 2, 1. The Johnson's baby powder flew about 5-6 meters from where I hit it at a very, very low power shot. Next hitting shot will be none other than the amazing Captain America. 3, 2, 1. Awesome shot. Okay, we have a leg here, and we have another leg there, and we have an arm, I think, there. And we have what remains of Steve Rogers right here. Okay, next test will be this spray bottle. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and I think I broke my Alexa. And okay, I think I smashed the Alexa because it flew like this, hit there, the Alexa went into the wall like that, and then it fell back. But I think the Alexa's still fine, or whatever this Bluetooth speaker. Okay, I don't care because it's not my speaker. Huh. Okay, next thing to be smashed shall be this bucket of Popsicle Sticks. So now I'm just gonna place it there, and I hope the lid's closed tightly enough because I don't want it to pop. And 3, and 2, and it appears that the can has been pressured onto the side, and it must have smushed because the pressure popped off the lid, which flew somewhere, and now it has left behind a trail of popsicle sticks. Quite far out. Next will be on my robot kit, which is gonna be, I think in one video I'm gonna just make this scorpion tank on the robot kit. So now 3, 2, and oops. Okay, the next test is going to be more fun. It was a secret test. I already showed you the iPad, but I'm going to do something that's even more expensive and has more of my valuable stuff on it than the iPad. I'm going to be hitting my phone. Well, my old phone, because my new phone is there, and my other new phone is there, and my other new phone is right there. So, old phone. So I'm just going to place it here. The phone is ready, and this is I'm gonna be kind of easy on it because I really don't want to break my phone. 3, 2, 1. And I broke the phone off of its base. 1. And I believe I've also broken the cover. Show you right here. Broke the top of the cover off. I don't know where the top of the cover is. But anyway, final test of today, the iPad. This I'm going to record. And I hate you, Apple! Apple! I hate you, Apple! Okay, that's good for today. And that was some great testing, and here's what it looks like. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, why don't you go down and click that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe and click that notifications bell so you can be notified for all future content. And if you want to see more videos like this, just click up here. There'll be a little box that says a question, do you want to see more videos like this? Just click it and write yes, and it will show me, and if it gets a lot of yeses, I will do it. So, and if you don't want to see more videos like this, just go up there and click no, but that's impossible because it's such a great video. And anyway, if you guys want to see me build something that you guys like, why don't you just go down into the comments and write something, and I will look at them, and any ideas that I like or that are really popular, I will build. Thanks for watching today, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. M. Smith out. Let's go. That was awesome.